Okay gang, today I'm going to do an unboxing assembly of my new Himiway Cruiser electric fat bike. So first things first, we're going to cut the straps, open the box, take all the pieces out, and then we'll start putting stuff together and see what happens. You can see everything's packed nice and neatly. Yeah. Okay, so everything's where it's supposed to be. Let's keep going. Start taking junk out, why don't we? This is the optional rack. With, in this case, looks like everything's kind of tie wrapped together. Okay, there's the front tire, front fender, big old fat tire there, really nice looking. Lay this baby here. And the rest of the frame's coming out. Styrofoam blocks around it. Okay, gonna open up the accessories. I understand there may be a custom tool in here to get me going. Okay, this is for the front sprocket retention tool. The ever important Himiway hat, like what you've done here. Himiway hat. Like some cable ties and some hardware. What's this for? Instruction booklet. Something else. Here's the fancy all-in-one tool. Left and right pedals. And most likely it's some kind of charger, I bet. Yep, that's the charger. Okay, kids, so, I know this is going to sound weird, but I'm going to look at the instructions and see what they're supposed to do. Okay, first up, we're going to install the handlebars on this. Take this tie wrap loose. Try to scratch everything and keep it all pretty. Pretty. Take this tool. Find the right Allen wrench. Did I guess right? Yeah. And we're going to loosen all four of these. Put these somewhere where they don't run away. Let's do that. really stoked. I ordered this bike on April 20th and it showed up on like June 21st. So it took a good 8 weeks. I happened to be out of town, so now I'm just now getting to it after getting back from my trip. And Mr. FedEx guy was nice enough to put it in the garage for me. Okay. Our handlebar assembly. And I did watch a factory assembly video, which I encourage you to as well. And it suggests you place that there. When you put the handlebars on, make sure the cables are coming out the bottom. And remember, you're going to fold these up, so make sure the brakes are on the outside. And then you can put the cap on. So start the cap while it's down like this, and then when you lift it up, it'll be easy to reinstall. The instructions kind of suck. Let's grab the front wheel here. Oops, another axle guard here. Let's cut this off. There we are. And we take this plastic protector off here. Oh, that was so easy. Why didn't they do it sooner? I like how they show it in the video, real super easy, and then it's in the novel category. Okay, there has to be a trick because it's not coming off. It feels like it broke, but it didn't. Okay, next up, let's see. So the brake disc is on this driver's side here, and on the left side, as is the take this out. I'm going to attempt to not fuck this up. You can tell right now I am not good at this. The best thing I did was just hold the wheel straight and just drop it right down, and the disc went right into the caliper for the brake, and the forks went right over the axle. So that was good. Ain't that pretty? Ain't that pretty? You have a kickstand, so I'm going to make use of that right now. Voila. Okay. Now the forks are not attached, so let's put that attachment springs on. Okay. Slide this through the axle. I'm blind to one eye, can't see out of the other. Leave the spring on one side. Push through. Put the spring on the other side. And then screw the cap on. Finger tight. I don't know how tight that needs to be, but I'm gonna tighten it up. Look at that, kids. It's getting to look more like a bicycle. Okay, next up we're gonna put these pedals on. Let's see if we can get 50-50 right here. Go get my wrench. I ain't playing, I got my own wrench here. Alright, I'm gonna be back to putting the other one on. Kind of getting it stoked, I'm almost done. Alright, just to install the rear rack. This was optional, of course they kind of give it to you with the current deal they're running, so this goes here, and I assume we'll end up mounting that light to the actual rack here. So let's see what it's supposed to mount to here. See, when he said we never mount to nothing, just I showed him. Now we gotta do is put this fender on and put the tail light on the right rack. Then we'll be in business, as they say. Let's get this out of here. Get this up in here on the hill. They do not provide much in the way of instruction for this, so let's see if we can figure it out. Well, I can see there's attach points here and over there. And I'm hoping, I'm betting, I'm sure now I need to take that headlight off and mount this. That's why they didn't mount that bracket. All right, I'm glad I got to do that twice. Okay, they don't show you this anywhere in the instructions, but you want to mount this fender. You're going to run the tab in behind the headlight bracket and then put this bolt on, and then we'll mount the headlight after that. And then these puck babies will come down here and attach at these points on both sides. Pretty straightforward, but pretty obvious, but no instruction was provided. You can see the attach points for the rack, and then we're gonna need to mount this tail light back here. I'll put this tail light on. There's a couple of self-tapping screws in here. And we'll got a couple washers here just to take some slack. Might not want to put this tail light on the bracket first before I installed it. All right, we're all put together here. Tail lights on. I think I need to center it, but it'll work for today. Yeah, everything's ready. Now let's turn this bitch on. Let's see here. Switch right here says 1-0, so let's push it. Hey, look. She's got 1/10 of a mile and a full battery. So let's take it for a jog, shall we? Okay, let's try this again. Pretty cool. Okay, we're gonna go. We've got pedal assist over here. We've got throttle here. We'll switch hands. If I just give it a little throttle, we'll take off. Here we go. Just goosing the throttle, I'm not even pedaling. But if I pedal, you can feel the assist kicked in. Feel it? I got it on 5. I'm gonna drop it down to pedal assist 1. Then you don't get it so abrupt. Pretty sweet. Throttle and brake. I do not want to dump it, so I'm gonna be careful. I'm not even pedaling. Pulling it up this hill. It's really sweet. If I want to pedal, I can. I get a little help from the battery. If I don't want to pedal, I just give it a little gas. Or electric, as it were. Pretty damn sweet. How do it know? Okay, that's pretty freaking cool. I like it a lot. That is badass. We'll go for a drive, shall we? Yeah, I really like this Himiway bike. I've only got a few minutes riding it, but it rides great. It's got a strong power. It's got great pickup, good braking. I think I'm going to have a lot of fun on it. It's a good, solid bike. And I like the hat, too. So far, so good. I'll give you an update down the road a ways. Take care and ride safe, everybody.